there is a secure boot certificate update Microsoft has released, that is 2023 secure boot certificate. So if your device don't have this certificate, your device may not start, and that is not the true exactly. Your device will start and you will get a security updates and Windows update, everything on your laptop, on your desktop. So what is the catch, and why it is important? So we are going to see this in this video. A secure boot certificate is like a bouncer at club. It's only allow the approved application to run. So there is a 3 ways you can deploy this certificate on your laptop. First way is basically the Intune method. You can come to the Intune portal and under the setting catalog, search for the secure boot, and you will see these 3 options are there. You can just turn them on and apply to all devices, and this certificate will get installed, it will get updated. Restart required. So after the restart, check the status, and you will see the devices are getting up to date certificate. Second way, there is a registry way. I'll put all the links in my description, so you can check out and refer this as required, or you can read more information about these things. So another way you can deploy this certificate through the registry. Basically you need to create this registry, open PowerShell as an administrator, run this registry, then start this schedule task. Basically again you need to run this command on the same PowerShell, restart the laptop or the desktop, and again run this command on your laptop and desktop, and it will update the registry key. And yeah, so this is the way. And the first way that I recommend, the third options, but the first you should do is check the BIOS version. This is a OEM updated client OEM page for the secure boot. Basically all the vendors have mentioned that which are the BIOS version are not required to update the certificate, because they are comes as a pre-built. So basically Dell technology, for example, the Dell, you will see these are the version and minimum BIOS version with the 2023 certificate. So these are the versions available. If you have already, or your laptops or desktops are running on this version, so you don't need to worry. So you can check this out, OEM page, and you are good to go. And what about like how you can check this thing in your company if you're using this, and how you can monitor through this Intune? So basically you need to come under the reports. So once you log into the Intune, come to the reports and Windows quality update. Basically under the secure boot status, you will see how many systems certificate is already updated and how many are required. So you can check this from here, and you are good to go. So yeah, these 3 options, and all the links I will put in my video description. Please go ahead and check out. If you have any questions and any problem deploying this, do let me know. I'm happy to help you. Thanks.